everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. I hope you guys are well. We have this lovely patient that I met online a couple of months ago, and just look at this. It's so sad. Now it looks like a verruca that's growing underneath the nail plate. But I'm going to send this off to biopsy as a precaution. She's watching some Netflix, some American show. What is it called? Fuller House. Okay. So she's enjoying that. So sorry about the background noise. So I've already kind of did the local anesthetic. What I'm going to do now is I'm just removing it at the root there, and then I'm pulling it back because I really want to just grab everything in one go so that hopefully it will just come off in one piece. But you can see how big it is. Look at this. And she's only 12 and she's a keen dancer. So can you imagine just dancing on this massive lesion there? It's really, 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 really big and just bad. So what we're going to do is remove it. I think I love it. Excellent. So good news. There is some. You can zoom in. Yep. So the nail bed is intact. Just some wart tissue. I'm going to need the 15 plate in a minute. So we've got this tissue here. Too close yet? Excellent. Like that. It's massive. Okay, I'm going to just show her. That's healthy nail bed tissue.
Okay, that's great. Is that good news?
Yeah. So there's some wart or some abnormal tissue. I'm going to scrape that back and also put it in the histology pot. But that will also help treat the area if it is a verruca. So it's looking good. It's looking nice and flat. It's looking good. It's not like a concave like lesion. It's not like digging in. But I'm very, very happy. So you can see. And 10 pounds fatter. What?
Well, we're assuming that we assumed incorrectly that the sister of Marion, that Marion would follow her sister, but she doesn't.
Like that. I might not have followed my sister. That is so true.
Followers, but let's assume.
But I don't follow a lot of people.
That Marion's sister follows her.
I think she follows me. Maybe she doesn't care.
There we go. We can't find another Yau.
Yeah. It's okay. I didn't add her. She doesn't go on Instagram. That was a trick one. I wanted to see if you guys could sew it, but that was a trick one.
She might have a different name. We don't know.
No, her name is Christine. She's also a podiatrist, but her specialty is in biomechanics.
What's that?
Kind of like gait analysis, movements.
How the foot moves and all that. It's pretty amazing.
So yeah, there's quite a lot of. We'll see what happens.
Is she based in Coventry?
She was based in Southampton before. Now she's come back to London.
So what's biomechanics clinic?
I don't think it's my clinic. It's probably somebody else that's followed me. I have lots of podiatry clinics that follow me.
The puppy will poop and pee all over the house so that stains are impossible to get out. Not for me. Grandpa taught me how to remove even the most
Miss Foot Fixer.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Not related to Miss Foot Fetish.
I hope not. So that's all done. So what we're going to do is going to dress this up and then, excellent, we're all done. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.